Konnichiwa minasan, or shall I say good day everyone. My name is Kishamari Oreo and today I'll be giving you tips on how to be a responsible traveler while you are in Japan. As we all know, Japan is a very peaceful country and we have to understand and respect their local customs that will make our visit enjoyable for everyone. Let's start. First, let's talk about public manners. Did you know it's considered rude to speak loudly on public transportation in Japan? You have to keep your conversations quiet and avoid talking on your phone loudly to respect the peace and quiet that the locals value. I remember a time when I was on a bus and someone was playing a video in their phone at full volume. It was really irritating because they didn't seem to care about other passengers. In Japan, people are particularly sensitive to noise in public spaces, so it's important to be mindful of this. Have you ever experienced a similar situation like mine? So how did you make you feel? Next one is photography. When visiting shrines and temples, it's crucial to respect photo restrictions. Always check for signs indicating where photography is prohibited to maintain the sanctity of these places. Some areas are considered very sacred and taking photos can be seen as disruptive and disrespectful. Have you ever been in a situation where taking photos was restricted or not allowed? How did you handle it? Let's talk about dining etiquette with chopsticks. When you eat with chopsticks, never stick them upright to your rice bowl or pass food directly from your chopstick to someone else's. These actions are associated with funeral rituals and are considered very disrespectful. Understanding these practices can help you avoid accidental offense that will make the Japanese people uncomfortable. Have you ever used chopsticks before? I see many hands right here, so you have to be mindful of this. Lastly is the tipping culture. First one, don't tip in Japan. Tipping is not customary and can ever be seen as rude, and excellent service is their standard and they are paid fairly, and providing great service is part of their professional ethic. Did you know that the tipping could be seen as disrespectful in some cultures? As we all know, America is said that the more you tip, the more you are satisfied, but in Japan, they are not. So by following these simple tips, we can all be responsible travelers and make our time in Japan respectful and enjoyable for everyone. If you found these tips helpful, please share them with others. Arigatou gozaimasu and happy travels! Thank you for your attention and feel free to ask questions or clarifications. Once again, this is Kishamari Oreo. Happy travels!